In this video we will learn how to create onboarding questionnaire in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the onboarding module on top navigation bar. Click on onboarding settings form. So here you can see onboarding questionnaire form. Click on the add new question button. Enter the title of the questionnaire. Select the employee to whom the answers for the question will be sent. Preview email content feature is available. System has a question bank from where the questions can be dragged or can write manually as well. Click on Save Question button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful. In this manner, multiple onboarding questionnaire can be added.